Hey everyone, it's Jaden here from Arcan RV in Medicine Hat. Today I'm going to be walking you through our brand new 2022 R-Pod 193. This is one of the bigger R-Pods because it is on a 7.5 foot wide body, so you do get a little bit more space on the inside. And what's really nice about this one too, they do have the front windshield on this one. And it's actually going to be a tempered acrylic glass. It's not a real glass. Two main reasons for that. One, when rocks are coming up, it's not going to shatter as easy. And it is really nice for your heat. So this window itself, because it's not an actual glass, it's not going to heat up as much. It's not going to bring as much heat inside the unit, so it'll stay nice and cold on those hot summer days for you. You do have the powered tongue jack at the front, plus your propane tank, and it does have the battery disconnect as well. So when you're putting it away for the winter, you're able to turn that off without having to do any rigmarole with any of your wires. As you walk around the side, one thing that you normally don't get in the R-Pod is going to be this pass-through storage. So this will go all the way to the other side. You can fit tables, chairs, whatever you need to be camping with in that guy there. You're not going to have to dirty up any of your inside stuff. You do get this beautiful power awning. With just a push of a button, it's going to be able to come out, and you do have the outside speakers to kind of convey the outside feeling. And you do have this full tempered glass front door. Really, really nice when no of the lights are on the inside. This is totally blacked out. And when it's closed like this, you just see that window opening. Along the back here, this one does have the black tank flush, so you'll be able to push water in through there and clean out your black tank. And it does have the LP quick connect option as well. So it comes with that griddle that you're gonna hang on the side here, and it'll pull right from your front propane tanks. You're not gonna have to bring your own tank or bring your own butane with you. This floor plan is gonna be one of the R-Pods that has the most beds in it. So you do get the Murphy bed at the front. This guy flips down here. Little bit of a pulley system for that, and then your bed comes right down. You get your main bed here, plus you do get two bunks beds in this one as well at the back, just giving that more flexibility and options for all the beds. And super easy to set up and set down. And you'll notice when I'm bringing this couch up, you do get all of this storage underneath it as well. So if you're wanting to put your blankets and cushions down there, you always can. As you walk right inside of it, you'll notice lots of windows in this guy, straight across from each other as well as on this side, just giving a little bit more natural light inside the unit. And then storage to combat that as well, right above your couch area. And you do get your two little drawers on the side here. Removable table, so you can have it set up here when you're wanting to watch TV or eating lunch. You can also set up on the outside too if you're having a day on the outside. Two burner cooktop here. You do have your flush glass mount on this one, so you're not using the burner top. You're going to use it as extra countertop space. And then this guy here, you do have your drain and your cutting board inside that huge basin sink. This is going to be a full circle and it's nice and deep, so you're not going to have to worry about cooking any of those pots and pans that aren't going to fit inside the sink. This one's nice and big in there. Storage above the top and below the sink, just giving you that extra option. And what's nice about this is instead of having the oven, they do have the convection microwave. So you're gonna use that as your microwave and your oven. 12-volt fridge in this guy. And one really nice thing too, you do have the kick vacuum system in it. And you do just have your central vac system if you wanted to get some attachments and be able to clean anything inside the unit. Roof mounted AC gives you that extra storage on the sides without having to lose anything and keeping that cool air in the summer. And what's really nice about these bunks, there's no blockage here. So even though they are a little skinny, they're not gonna feel as claustrophobic when the kids are sleeping on them. And they do have the ladder built right in to be able to climb up to that top one, so they're not jumping from side to side to try to get up there. Even more storage beside your fridge plus your furnace in this one. You can kick that on at night, or if you're camping in a little bit cooler weather, they'll be able to do that as well. And then you do have your bathroom here. What's really nice about this one is a lot of your R-Pods are gonna have the wet bath, but this one you get the full shower with the surrounds, plus a separate toilet area and a little bit of extra storage at the back as well. This guy's roof is wired for solar, so you do have a solar panel on there. And if you're wanting, you can get the inverter upgraded onto it as well that our service team can put in, and that'll make everything live in here when you're doing that without having to have a generator with you. What's really nice about this one, you do actually have the plugs and your USB at your bedside table. So USBs on either side and plugs on either side. And you do have the TV set up right here across from your table and couch area, so you can watch that while you're eating. Super easy to access everything. Your slide room and your awning accessory options are right here, as well as the speaker system. And if you're gonna be running the TV with the sound systems all connected through there as well. So super easy to use. This was the R-Pod 193. I hope you guys liked it. If you wanna see it in person, make sure you stop down at the dealership. Thanks.